I'm Bob. People actually call me Smart Bob because I'm, well, smart. I find all these cool gadgets that plug into the Internet of Things and have people saying, hey, why didn't I think to use that? Duh, it's because Smart Bob thought of it first. Here's my latest discovery. No, it's not the shower. It's called EvaDrop, the first smart shower that helps you save water. Did you know the average shower uses 17 gallons of water? Of course you didn't. With EvaDrop, you can cut that in half. Here, let me show you how it works. Usually, when you turn on the shower, you occupy yourself with other, more inventive ways to pass the time, waiting for that perfect temperature. That is, until you realize you've been running the water the entire time.
How much water did I waste?
I wasn't even in the shower yet, but now with EvaDrop, I can program the temperature I like, and its internal heat sensor detects when it hits my desired temperature and cuts the flow of water. No more waste of water while you're away from the shower. Now, when I walk into the shower and turn on the water, it's hot right away, no waiting. That's not all. EvaDrop can do even more. It uses its proximity sensor system to automatically adjust the flow of water depending on where I am in the shower and what I'm doing. If I'm right under the shower head rinsing shampoo from my hair, I get 100% flow right when I need it. But if I step back to soap up, the water flow reduces, saving water while still keeping me comfortable and warm. If I go even further away to get soap or even shave my legs, it reduces the flow of water even more. It's simple and automatic. Ooh, smooth. EvaDrop's universal design fits any shower, any size, and is easily installed between your existing shower head and the wall. But what's really cool is the EvaDrop app. All of this can be controlled and tracked through the app, so I can set goals, adjust preferences, switch between large and small shower settings, even see how much water I'm saving each day. So take it from Smart Bob. Get EvaDrop. It's a smarter way to shower.
Enerve React is the world's first intelligent stove safety device that attaches directly to your existing knobs and recognizes potential threats, turning your stove off before it's too late.
How many of you have ever left food cooking on the stove for too long and ended up with smoke everywhere or even a fire?
Or left your house and just wondered whether you left the stove on?
If you've never left your stove on before, you may wonder whether this is even a problem that needs a solution.
The kitchen is the center of our homes. It's where so much of life happens, spending time with loved ones, preparing food, and sharing meals. With so much happening, it's easy to forget something as simple as turning off your stove. If we're not careful, something terrible can happen. I know, because it happened to me. In the United States alone, there are over 357,000 house fires each year. That's one house fire every 85 seconds. These house fires cause almost 13,000 injuries per year and 7 deaths every day. And cooking equipment is the most common cause. How many of these can be prevented with Enerve React?
Enerve React uses a combination of sensors and electronics within these units to turn your stove off when a hazardous situation is detected or before one even arises. Attach your existing knobs to the device or use them as your new knobs and place the sensor unit on the ceiling above. This unit is the brains of the device and houses a gas sensor and smoke detector which, when activated, signal the knob unit to turn off the burner. This unit also contains a motion sensor that's linked to the timer in the knob unit. You select the time interval you want using the touch sensor, or you can use the default setting. If no motion is detected in the vicinity of your stove during that time interval, the knob will activate and turn your stove off.
Enerve React's novel design allows it to work on any gas or electric stove and attach to knobs of all shapes and sizes. And if you're away from home, the smartphone app allows you to check whether your stove is on and turn it off if needed. You can even adjust the temperature of your stove to ensure your food doesn't overcook.
Leaves, clogs, bugs, and other pests in your gutters. To leave them would cause water damage and overspills. To clean them would swallow up a whole weekend. That is, until now. The iRobot Luge 300 series gutter cleaning robot is a must-have tool for your home maintenance arsenal. Luge takes this dangerous and dirty job and does it for you. No more repeated ladder climbing. No more overreaching from dangerous heights. No more Sundays wasted. Simply place Luge into the gutter using the detachable handle and let the robot get to work. Spinning at 500 RPM, the high-velocity 4-stage auger breaks apart clogs, then lifts and throws them away from your roof as sweepers and a scraper clear the remaining debris and make sure the path is cleared for the robot to travel. Luge gets its power from a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, giving it the muscle needed to handle your gutters. Luge can be used in either automatic clean mode or manual mode. In clean mode, just push the clean button, and Luge travels down your gutter on its own, sensing and adapting to debris to provide the most effective cleaning. Manual mode allows you to control the robot's forward and reverse directions using the detachable handle, which doubles as the remote control. At just under 2 inches high and 3 inches wide, Luge fits in most K-style gutters. This low-profile design allows Luge to easily travel under most gutter straps and over downspout holes. Luge cleans gutters faster than traditional methods, cleaning up to a 30-foot section of gutter in about 5 minutes. Doing this manually takes 5 times longer on average. The robot's waterproof design is not only critical for clearing wet leaves, but also makes for an easy cleanup using your garden hose. Luge comes complete with an additional set of smaller, more compact ejectors, allowing you to customize your auger for varying types of debris found in different seasons or conditions. Luge reduces the risk of injury from repetitive climbing and extended time on ladders, and also helps to prevent overreaching from dangerous heights. The slip-resistant rubber handle and hands-free belt clip combine for safer ladder climbing and robot handling. iRobot is driven by a passion for building practical robots like Luge that make a meaningful difference in people's lives. The iRobot Luge 300 series gutter cleaning robot takes a dangerous, dirty job and does it for you.
Introducing Mimo, the intelligent robotic lawnmower from Honda. Mimo's revolutionary high-tech design revolves around something very special: you. Because Mimo automatically clips your lawn with computerized precision, so that every blade of grass is always well manicured and beautiful, giving you more free time to do everything you want to, including absolutely nothing at all. Mimo is brought to life with decades of Honda's passion for innovation, technology, robotics, and engineering, and built with the Honda quality you expect and trust. Mimo is fully customizable to your yard and your lifestyle. Just tell Mimo when and where to mow, and it does the rest, including automatically returning to its docking station. Your Honda Mimo dealer will conduct a yard survey and set boundary wires around your lawn and existing landscaping, such as trees, flower beds, ponds, and outbuildings, so Mimo knows exactly where to mow and where not to mow. As a decidedly high-tech device, Mimo is autonomous and can be programmed with 3 cutting patterns to suit your needs: random for large open areas, directional for narrower obstacle-free areas, or mixed for large complex yards. Plus, Mimo is intelligent and can be programmed to automatically adapt to the season and grass growth rates, delivering the best cutting finish for your yard. Mimo can even detect thicker grass areas, activating its spiral cutting pattern to tackle these zones, while its edge cutting mode will keep the boundary wire area looking neat. Mimo mows frequently, shaving tiny pieces of grass so your yard is always well maintained and manicured. And it's good for your grass too. Those tiny pieces fertilize and promote a healthier lawn. And because Mimo is electric, it's quiet and can be programmed to run day or night. So in addition to being efficient, it's also stealthy. With its 360-degree awareness sensors, Mimo can work safely and securely. It continually monitors for boundary wires and can detect any tilting or lifting motion, automatically stopping its blades. And if Mimo's bump sensors detect any obstacles in its path, Mimo will change directions and then keep mowing. Worried about theft? Don't be. If someone picks up Mimo, an alarm sounds and Mimo stops working until you enter your custom PIN code. It's easy to learn more about Mimo's 2 available models: 3 cutting patterns, specially designed blades, 360-degree sensors, automatic charging system, and day and night modes, all making your life and your lawn care easier.